When it comes to temperature sensor manufacturing, precision and reliability are non-negotiable. Even the slightest welding inconsistency can lead to inaccurate temperature readings, unstable resistance values, and rejected batches, costing companies time, money, and reputation. That's why the largest temperature sensor manufacturers in the world rely on TATE, the industry's most advanced resistance spot welding machine designed for PT100, NTC, RTD, PT200, and PT1000 sensors. What makes TATE the best? 100% precision control. No weak joints, no rework. Just perfect, stable welding results. Advanced energy regulation prevents overheating, ensuring flawless sensor performance. Designed for maximum efficiency, reduce waste, minimize defects, and scale up production effortlessly. Proven by industry giants, top manufacturers worldwide have switched to TATE to ensure superior welding quality and unmatched consistency. Say goodbye to welding problems. Tired of welding inconsistencies? TATE guarantees precision every time. Concerned about sensor reliability? Our low-heat welding protects delicate materials. Need to cut production costs, improve efficiency, reduce waste, and boost your bottom line? Let's talk. The biggest names in temperature sensor manufacturing have already chosen TATE. Why wait? Tell WhatsApp 81306665065. Email info@oktate.com.